brachial plexus and its main components. The brachial plexus can be divided into 5 main parts, starting off with the roots of C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1. The roots coalesce or simply continue, as is the case with C7 roots, into the trunks. The trunks are superior, middle, and inferior trunks. And then the trunks combine with each other into divisions, which are either just anterior or posterior. The divisions continue still into 3 chords. The chords are lateral, posterior, and the medial chords, or LPM. Finally, each of these chords give off their terminal branches, which are as follows: the musculocutaneous nerve, the axillary nerve, the median nerve, the radial nerve, and finally, the ulnar nerve, the different branches of the chords of the brachial plexus. To remember the 5 main components of the brachial plexus, we can adopt the following mnemonic: Richard, trunks, drinks, coffee, black.